In today's fast-paced world, learning a new skill is easier than ever thanks to advancements in technology. Whether you're aiming to master a language, play an instrument, or code your first app, technology offers countless resources to accelerate your journey. Let's explore how you can use technology effectively to learn a new skill while also enhancing your online presence through SEO. Well, 1. Leverage online learning platforms. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Skillshare are treasure troves of knowledge. These sites provide structured courses taught by experts in fields ranging from digital marketing to graphic design. The convenience of accessing lessons on demand means you can learn at your own pace, making it easier to fit education into your busy schedule. SEO tip. If you're a content creator, write reviews or summaries of these platforms using keywords like best online courses for beginners or top platforms to learn skill. 2. Explore interactive apps. Interactive apps such as Duolingo for languages or Musician for music make learning fun and engaging. Gamification, a technique used in many apps, keeps you motivated with rewards, streaks, and challenges. These apps break complex skills into manageable chunks, making progress feel achievable. SEO tip. Optimize blog posts or YouTube videos by targeting phrases like best apps to learn skill or how to use apps to master skill. 3. Join online communities. Technology has made it easy to connect with like-minded learners through forums, social media groups, and platforms like Reddit or Discord. These communities provide support, advice, and accountability, all of which are crucial for sustained learning. SEO tip. Build backlinks by participating in forums or sharing your expertise on platforms like Quora. Use long-tail keywords such as how to stay motivated while learning skill. 4. Utilize YouTube and podcasts. YouTube offers a wealth of free tutorials for virtually any skill, while podcasts provide insights and inspiration from industry experts. These resources are particularly useful for visual and auditory learners who prefer dynamic content over static text. SEO tip. Create video transcripts or podcast summaries to boost your site's ranking. Include keywords like best YouTube channels for skill or top podcasts to learn skill. Embrace AI and personalized learning tools. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing education by offering personalized learning experiences. Tools like Grammarly for writing, Codecademy for programming, and Khan Academy for general studies adapt to your pace and provide instant feedback. SEO tip. Highlight AI-powered tools in your content with keywords like how AI helps in learning skill or personalized tools for mastering skill. 6. Track your progress with technology. Tracking tools such as habit trackers, goal-setting apps, and analytics dashboards keep you accountable and show measurable progress. Apps like Trello or Notion can help organize your learning schedule and milestones. SEO tip. Share productivity hacks and templates on your website. Use phrases like best apps to track learning progress or how to stay organized while learning skill. 7. Engage in virtual reality and simulations. For hands-on skills like driving, surgery, or even public speaking, VR offers immersive experiences that mimic real-world scenarios. Platforms like Oculus or VR-specific training apps provide a safe space to practice without the fear of failure. SEO tip. Write engaging articles on cutting-edge tech, targeting keywords like how VR is changing skill learning or virtual reality tools for mastering skill. Final thoughts. By integrating technology into your learning process, you can acquire new skills efficiently and effectively. From interactive apps to virtual reality, the possibilities are endless. As you explore these tools, don't forget to share your journey online, leveraging SEO to connect with others and build your personal brand. Technology isn't just a tool, it's your gateway to mastering new skills and achieving personal growth.